In connected products, Android-based kiosks, human-machine interfaces, and smart appliances are deployed directly at customer locations. Sometimes, an issue appears on only one or a few devices already in the field, actively used by customers or operators. Traditionally, diagnosing these issues is difficult and inefficient. Teams may need to ship devices back for inspection, send engineers on site, or rely on phone calls where customers try to describe what they see or follow complex testing steps. These approaches take time, increase costs, and often interrupt normal operations. Update Factory from Kynetics introduces a dedicated peer-to-peer remote debugging feature designed specifically for scenarios where a single target device needs to be debugged and diagnosed. It allows the product team to securely access and inspect deployed Android devices remotely, view what's happening on the screen, collect logs, and analyze behavior in real time, almost as if the device were sitting right in front of them. When a device in the field begins to show abnormal or unexpected behavior, Update Factory gives product teams the ability to securely enable remote access for that specific unit. Once enabled, a protected communication channel is established, allowing teams to safely connect to the device, observe its behavior, and perform detailed diagnostics in real time. All of this happens without disrupting other devices in the fleet and without interrupting the end user's normal daily operations, ensuring issues can be investigated smoothly and efficiently. Once the connection is established, product teams can rely on their familiar Android debugging tools to observe exactly what is happening on the device in real time, just as they would during local development or lab testing. This makes it possible to watch how applications behave under real workloads, see how the system responds to actual user interactions, identify where slowdowns or bottlenecks occur, and collect the insights needed to confidently pinpoint the root cause of the issue. Using the remote viewer with tools like Screen Copy, product teams can see the device's screen exactly as it appears in the real world and interact with it remotely in real time. This makes it possible to experience the device from the end user's perspective, follow the same journey step by step, and accurately reproduce the issue as it happens. As you interact with the system, you can immediately observe how the device and its applications respond, transforming abstract reports, logs, or user descriptions into clear and predictable behavior that can be analyzed and resolved with confidence. Update Factory Remote Debugging brings this entire workflow together by packaging secure remote access, in-depth investigation, and live device interaction into a single, cohesive product feature built specifically for embedded Android fleets. Contact us to learn more about remote debugging and request a free trial to start managing your device fleet remotely.